Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is not a moto vlog. As you can see, in this video I'll be unboxing a tire inflator which I recently purchased from Amazon, and it's a Michelin actually, and it costed me around 2400 rupees on Amazon. So I'll basically do the unboxing, and as you can see I haven't opened the box a bit. I mean, I don't have any fancy scissors to open it, but then using this to open it anyways. So let's check, and I'll also be telling you how you can use it or how useful it is. So this has one more bubble wrap, and then we need to remove this bubble wrap also. So this one's pretty easy. Okay, that's a lot of bubble wrap. Oh, they have done the pretty good packaging, to be honest. Really good packaging. So let me get back once I finish opening this bubble wrap, because I can't with it one hand, and also yeah, let me get back to it, and once I open it then I'm continuing the video. Okay, so as you can see, let it focus. Okay, so this is called it's from Michelin, and it's called Micro Tyre Inflator, and the price actually quoted on the box is you can see, wait, it's not focusing. Anyways, the price on the box is 3695 rupees, but on Amazon you can get it for around 2400. I got it for 2400. So if you want to check it out, just head down to the description box. The link is provided down below, so you can get it from there. Also, it helps the channel, so yeah, if you purchase, thanks in advance. So anyways, let's open the box. So once you open the box, and this is not a page actually, you will be seeing like what all are in there in the box and all. So this is the actual tire inflator, and it's pretty small, like it's pretty small. So for sample, this is my hand. Okay, for a better sample, wait, this is a iPad 8, and this is the inflator. So that I think gives a pretty good scale, like how small it is. It's really small, it's really light also. Like it should not be more than, it weighs just like, I mean, it's lighter than the iPad, to be honest. So yeah, and what else do you get in the box? Just keep it aside for 1 minute. Okay, so this is a car 12-volt charger which you get over here, and you need to plug this in the electric socket in your car, and it can also be used for motorcycles and all. Like I guess they have a USB somewhere, because they said that it can be charged up by USB. Okay, so over here, why is the camera not focusing? Yeah, there's a fuse over here and the nozzles and all. So yeah, here is the nozzle and all of them are here. So what I know is that this tire inflator can be charged up by USB, I guess, and it's a Michelin, so it's a reputed company, and it also makes what you see up here, this nozzle, this is used for filling up the air. You can put the various valves and the outlets over here, and then you can use it for cycles, cars, motorcycles, tractors, not trucks, not aircrafts, because it only goes up to 50 psi. So yeah, cars, bicycles, motorcycles, that's it. And the blue thing, by mistake I may have said that it's a USB charger, but no, it does not charge up by USB. But what it does is, this is a USB socket you can see over here. Wait, how does it open? Yeah, the USB socket that you can see over here, this can actually be used as a power bank. So you can charge up your mobile phones and laptops and iPads and anything with this one. So this basically acts as a power bank, and this is you have to connect this part. If you can see over here, I don't know why my camera is acting all weird. Anyways, so this ports that you can see over here, this one, you need to plug it into a car socket, a 12-volt charging socket. Yeah, and this will charge this thing up, so you can keep it charged up. And there's a screen over here actually. This is the power button. This is the power button, and there's a screen over here which tells you the PSI, the current PSI, and all the details, maybe how much charge is left and all. So yeah, you see the Michelin branding over here, and I would say the build quality is not too good, but then it's not too bad. I mean, considering that it's a Michelin product, it could have been a little better, but then it's okay. I mean, according to the build quality, if you ask me to rate it 3.5 out of 5 or 4 out of 5 at the most, maybe not. It's not amazing. It's not like, you know, it's not like, how can I explain? It's not like a Volkswagen, it's more like a Maruti, if you get the reference. So yeah, that's pretty much all. I just wanted to clear. Also, there are some rubber pads down here, so it does not slip around. Basically. And also, it's the instruction manual, and it's really wrong, and I haven't read it yet, and I need to read it because I don't know how this works and all. So yeah, once I figure it out, and I'll be making the part 2, which will be including how to use it and all the operations. The video, I mean, in the next part, there'll be 2 parts. I'll be showing to you how you use this one. I mean, how you charge up this one and all. So it's pretty basic workaround. Sorry, what do I mean by workaround? Sorry, the motorcycles have really make me beat up with language. So yeah, I mean, just an unboxing video. So this is all basically what you get in the box. It's a charger. Okay, it's not in the camera frame, and the nozzles and all. So yeah, so that's pretty much what you get in the box, and how to use it and the operations and all I'll be telling you all in the next video. So yeah, stay tuned and please subscribe to the channel if you liked it. If you have any queries, tell me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to reply to them. Also, stay safe, always wear a helmet, and thanks for watching. I'll meet you all in the next video, and in the next video I'll be explaining how you use it and all. So if you have seen this one and you've actually seen till this point in the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, it is what it is. So goodbye for now.